Sean Carlson, Blackjack 98 Enterprises. Today is Thursday, May the 7th. And behind me is my brand new product that I had bought for a previous project that I had worked on. This is a brand spanking new engine for a 2700 PSI pressure washer. I ordered this literally at the end of March and it finally got here like a month and a half later. Wow. It came all the way over from China by ship and then snail mail from Toronto, and holy friggin' crap, it's here now. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna unbox it. Alright, so let's take a look at the package. So this is a Loncin engine, which I could only find to replace the current pressure washer that I had. And I'm gonna take my trusty knife here and we're gonna unbox it together. So here we go. Like that up there, yes. Woo. Alright. This thing has been through transit overseas. So I would assume the box to be beat up all the hell. Okay, so I'm doing this. Is there anything on here? No, we'll put that right there. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Okay. Oh, okay. What I'm going to do is I'm going to lift this onto here. Hold on. Look at that. That is so spanking beautiful, shiny. It's even got the serial numbers and stuff on it. This is freaking awesome. Woo. You know what? Let's look in here. I've got the owner's manual. What's in here? Oh, tools. There's probably more stuff in there. No. Okay. Is there anything in there? No. Okay, so we're just down to the box now. Frick, eh? This is awesome. But let's look at this. Wow. It's got the plastic casing on it. Let's pull this up a bit. Loncin, cast iron sleeve. Wow, everybody. This is beautiful. It's different valve cover than the one that I had, but this should work. Okay, so this goes onto my pressure washer. What's this? What's this? It says caution, oil has been drained for shipping. Failure to fill the engine sump with oil pressure will result in permanent damage and will void engine warranty. Okay, so we gotta put oil into this. Not a big deal. Okay. So, oh, there's more numbers. Yes, okay. So, now, this will be the unboxing video. The next video is going to be putting this onto the pressure washer. And then we're going to test it out. So this is video number 1. I hope everybody enjoyed it. That's it.